Right. Can you please tell the viewers how long is your piece of toy toy?
135 centimeters long.
Okay, so 135 centimeters long. So we're going to write that down. 135 centimeters long in length. So what are you wanting to make? Okay, which is a kite. Now, how many pieces do you need for this kite?
Three pieces.
Okay, so if you have one whole piece that's 135 centimeters long and you want to break it into 3 equal pieces, what's the name for that in fractions?
1/3.
Okay, or thirds. Alright, so we know it's thirds. So we want to break this into thirds. So we're going to say 1/3 of 135 centimeters. Okay, that's a big number. What are we going to do to solve this equation? What mathematical knowledge can we do? What do we have to do to this number?
Divide it.
Into how many groups?
3.
You agree? Okay, so we could write that 135 divided by 3. Alright, so we're basically we want 3 groups, equal groups. Agreed? Okay, so how are you going to break this number down so it's easy for you to make it into equal groups?
Make it into a tiny number.
Okay, so what do you know about your times tables of this number here that you could split equally into 3 groups?
120.
Okay, so you're saying 120. So I would write 120 divided by
3.
equals.
45.
Really? Think about that. If I'm going to hide that 0 and I say 12 divided by 3. So if I split 12 into 3 equal groups, how much will be in each group?
55.
No, that's not correct. I want you to slow down. I want you to think.
60.
No. 12. If I have 12 and I divide 12 into 3 equal groups, so something plus something plus something equals 12.
Oh, 4.
Thank you. So now you're making connections. But what we're doing here, we've got 120 divided by 3, not 12.
0.
To the 4? Okay, cool. So that would mean, we know that's 4. So if we keep that, we're saying, what did you say, 48?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how much Capri of this number is still left to use? We've done 120. What's left over? 120 plus what equals 135?
15.
Cool. So we've got the 15 in Capri. We have to divide that into how many equal groups?
3.
Cool. So use your times table knowledge. You can use inverse or reverse it. 15 divided into 3 equal groups will be how many in each group?
5.
Awesome. So now we've got the 40 here and the 5 here. What do we have to do with both of those numbers?
Add it together.
Awesome. So 40 plus 5 equals.
45.
So where does that number need to go now?
Into
Yeah. But what's this?
into our
Yeah. Okay, so here's our 45, and then we want to check it. Okay, so how many groups have we got?
3.
3. 3 times 45 equals. Now we were learning that new strategy where we could separate it and split it. So how would we do that?
40 plus 40 plus 40.
No, that's repetitive. That does work, but that's that kind of like skip counting, repetitive sort of stuff. I want you to go into your multiplication knowledge. We've been doing that. So it'll be 3 groups of
40.
thank you, and 3 groups of
5.
okay, and then let's use our knowledge here. Remember, you can cover that. 3 times 4 is,
It was 12.
what do we do at 0?
Add a 0.
Okay, 3 times 5 is,
15.
we add that together, and that's going to be,
135.
so, is this right?
Yep.
Yeah, it is. So that means with your money tuku tuku, you have to split it, so this has to be how long?
45.
45. That's got to be 45 centimetres so that you have 3 equal bits to make your kite. Agreed?
Yep.
Right, so that's what you're going to go away and do. Thanks very much. Cheers. Now